Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Boys and girls, today we're going to create an insect that it's inspired me from reading the story The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. And so boys and girls, let's get started. So the first thing we need for this is pom-poms. We also need 2 pipe cleaners of the same color. We need one popsicle stick and a short pipe cleaner for the antenna. And googly eyes, if I didn't say that. So we're going to begin by using this as a shape that we're going to use to create our caterpillar. So we're going to attach the 2 ends together by simply twisting them around like that, boys and girls. All right, so we make 1. And then what we're going to do, we're going to start from one end of the popsicle stick, and we're gonna create some, you know that caterpillars have many legs, shall we say. So that's what I'm trying to create, many legs. So I'm just bending all the way along. So boys and girls, you just make sure that you try your best to do this bending technique. Using the popsicle sticks will really help you. It will be a good guidance for you. So you're going to bend it all the way up until you reach to the end of the popsicle stick. So boys and girls, it would be helpful if you can place your caterpillar on a flat surface like that, and then you'll be able to bend your pipe cleaners more easily like that. So I'm going to go ahead and continue doing my bending. And yeah, it really helps when you have it going this way, so you can create quite a few like that, and then you do the other end like this. I hope you can see, but you got the idea anyway. You just have it down like that. This is how it looks, and then we're going to stick it down afterwards, so it will be pretty okay, I can assure you. So I'm going to continue this, and then I'll see you in a minute. So boys and girls, it's going to look something like that, and you just simply attach 2 ends together by twisting it the best you can, okay, like that. Trust me, it's twisted. And I'm going to try to fit this in like that. Okay, and you know what? I am going to go ahead and I'm going to add some glue to it so that it will be okay. All right? Try to make the legs as equal as you can on both sides. That's what we want to do. That's our goal, basically, boys and girls. We want to have them equal. We want to have the legs on each side equal, like that. And yeah, so if you're not familiar about the story, it's about this caterpillar. And after it got hatched from the egg, it was, as soon as it was hatched, it was hungry, And so it went out. So we're going to add some glue to this popsicle stick and stick it on the pipe cleaner. Yeah, and so this we have this caterpillar who hatched from this egg, and it was extremely hungry, and so it went on excuse me, boys and girls. It was this this caterpillar just got hatched from its egg, and as soon as it came out of the egg, it was hungry, and so it was in search of food, and it traveled far and near. It ate an apple, and it was still hungry, and it ate 2 pears, and it was still hungry, and it ate 3 plums, and it was still hungry, and 4 strawberries, and it was still hungry, and 5 oranges. Yeah, and it just went on and on. It ate ice cream, it ate cake, it ate all kinds of things. And afterwards, he felt a little sick. He ate a leaf, and he felt much better. And he went to sleep. And he built a house around him, like a cocoon. And then he turned into a butterfly. So it's a beautiful story, boys and girls, and it's something that I recommend that you read, yourself. And yeah, I'm just going to leave this to dry, and I'll get back to you. So there it is, boys and girls. I'm just going to turn it around, and the hair will be the head. So we're going to put the biggest pom-pom that you ever have right here at the end, and then we're just going to build this caterpillar with as many pom-poms as you can count. No, as many pom-poms that can fit, boys and girls. That's a better way to describe it. And yeah, we're going to have a green one right at the end, like that. Maybe we'll have the red, because the red one is the smallest. Like that. So let me get the glue, and we're going to stick it down. So for this one, we're going to add, well, let me just add it here, like that. And then we're going to pop the head on like that. And we're going to put the next one on, which is the lovely pinky colour. Actually, the caterpillar had a red head, but I didn't have a big red pom-pom. So do you see, if you don't have these colours, it's okay. Use what you have. And that's what I'm doing, basically. I'm using the colours that I have to create this multicolour caterpillar. And the very hungry caterpillar is actually a red head and a green body. Different shades of green, of course, but that's pretty much it. And then we have the tail right there. Good. And there we have our lovely hungry caterpillar. So I'm going to leave that like that, and I'm going to add the eyes, the googly eyes. I think I'm going to have it like this. That's so cute. What a cute caterpillar. I don't know if you noticed in the story, that caterpillar had the most widest mouth that you have ever seen. But I'm not going to give it a big mouth at all. I'm just going to leave it like that, boys and girls. And yeah, I'm going to add an antenna to this piece, and hopefully it will look all right. So I'm going to add the antenna by gently lifting the caterpillar, because it's still not quite dried yet. And then I'm going to bend maybe I can stick it down here like that. Yeah, and give it, maybe I can cut it here, maybe like that. Just cut it like that. So what I will do, I'll add some glue here to the bottom. Let's just make it the middle part like that, and I'm going to add some glue here and put it down flat like that between the pink and the purple pom-poms. Okay, boys and girls, that's what I'm going to do. That's my plan. So I'm going to add some glue like this, and I'm going to stick it in between the blue and the purple, I beg your pardon, and the pink pom-pom. So we're going to do this like that, trying not to disrupt this, and then that's going to have the antenna going like that. That's our antenna, like that. All right, that's a really cute hungry caterpillar, I must say. Very cute. So boys and girls, this is it. That's our hungry caterpillar. Just going to get something just to push this down to make sure it's right down and stuck down like that, so that it doesn't move. I may have to add some more glue to the eyes and for the purple pom-pom. I'm going to do that again, boys and girls. It's still wet, but just to be on the safe side, I'm going to fix this up. So I'm going to add some more white glue here. I'm going to send this down like that, right there. And then I'm going to take some glue like that, stick it down here, and then I'm just going to try to put it in like that. I think that will make it a bit better. And then we just leave everything else to dry. Let me just do the eyes as well while I'm at it. And then we just leave it to dry, boys and girls. Yeah. Because it was still wet, but I just to be on the safe side, boys and girls, I just decided let me just add some more like that. Now I'm just gonna, I've got one antenna longer than the other, so I'm just gonna cut it off like that, so that it's the same, push them together so that they were all right. And there's our little caterpillar, boys and girls. I think it's a beautiful caterpillar. And yeah, I can't wait to see your caterpillar when you're done. Please share with me, and I'll see you in the next video, boys and girls. Bye-bye.